Hey, what's up everybody? I'm out here Cleveland, South Carolina today. I'm gonna do some trout fishing with my family, and as you can see, we're out here at the Saluda River, and we're going out and try to catch some of these trout, man. Haven't done it in a while, so I might be a little rusty. Hopefully we can get some good ones. Hopefully we can get a real monster. So y'all stay tuned. Let's see what we can catch. All right, folks. Down here, using a little bait. It's kind of cold out here a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna see if we can light them up just a little bit. All right, we'll give it another shot. Right up in there. GoPro start. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It took long enough, but good gracious. There you go. It took long enough, but I finally got one of them jokers. Man. That's what I'm talking about. Finally got a rainbow trout. Well, that kind of hurt. Look at that boy right there. Hold still now. Hold still. Keep trying to fight my boys. That's gonna be dinner. It ain't a monster, but it's gonna be dinner. Yes, he is. There we go. Right over there is where it was. Well, I was getting a bite anyways. There he is. That's a good one too. That's a real good one. Ho ho! That's a real good one. Yeah. That's what we're here for. You know, he's not a monster. That's a brown, I believe. Yeah, that's a brown trout. Look at that beautiful brown trout, man. I mean, he's not a monster, but that's a beautiful brown trout. That joker. Caught him right there in the corner of the mouth, too. Beautiful brown. Yeah, buddy. I'm glad we caught that. Sit this right here. We're going to go put him on the stringer. Dad's gonna love this. Let's put him on a stringer and we'll go back and get another one. There he is. There he is. There he is. Knew it. There he is. Yes, sir. I knew it. He's tearing me up. That's number 3. Number 3. Like I said, it's not the biggest in the world, but yeah, we eating these bad boys. We're gonna take them to the house. Oh, we're gonna take them to the house. Uh-oh.
You got him.
Yeah, I got him. No, man, that's a stick. Man, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that right there. You ain't gonna do that in your lifetime. I'm talking about, I just got some tweezers. Some pliers, man.
You ain't got
Thank you.
Got you set.
Huh? No, I'm gonna cast one more time. That felt like a bite, and then it got off, and I ran right in. I'm about to follow you. I'm about to come on with you. There you go. This is a really good spot. Wish it was going a little slower, but that'll work. I was getting a hit, but he quit. He quit hitting it. This fish is taking a beating. Come on, buddy. Good little buddy. Water getting deeper. Man. There's another one. Oh, that's a good one.
Buddy, take off my foot.
Ooh, boy.
Take it off my foot, man.
Man, please. Look at that.
You got something to cut this with?
Look at that.
Yep.
Huh?
Got something to cut this with? Knife or something?
Look at that, boys. We loading them up. We loading them up.
Small knife?
No, I don't. You had to bite it off. That's what I had to do. Yeah, you did. You need to come over here and I'll show you how to get them, okay? I will put you on one, boy. On these trout, boy. You got to do them like this.
Look, man.
Oh.
Look, it ain't on another, man. You gotta get on it, man. You gotta get on it, bro. You know,
Tell you what. Man, you catch them. You just got to be patient, man. Oh, Wes had a monster.
God, man, I had a good one.
Man.
That little child molester.
There you go. Okay, folks. We're gonna call it a day. We man, I tell you what, we we fished our butts off, and we caught at least 20 trout. And we was hoping for more. It didn't happen, but me and the fam, my brothers, we put in some work out here on the daggone river today. So we'll catch you on the next one, and hopefully we'll catch that big fish. Either way, it's fun having fun with family, right? All right, we'll catch you on the next one. I'm out of here.